Testing a fader. To detect a fault at the end of the fader travel, move the fader up to the top and then wiggle it sideways while gently pulling up on the fader cap. Observe in USB Expert that the value of the fader data does not jump down from the value 255. Repeat the test at the 0 value point, wiggle the fader and observe if the value jumps up. If the fader value jumps in USB Expert, then it is advisable to treat the faders with the Avolites fader F5. Avolites fader F5. Make sure the nozzle is aligned with the L setting. We only need a small amount. Bring the faders down to 0. Insert the tube at 45° angle, aligned with the third slot, and spray. Repeat this for all the faders. Then move the fader 5 times up and down, and then leave at the top. Insert the tube at the bottom of the fader at 45° angle, next to the third line from the bottom, and spray. Do this for each fader. Then move each fader 5 times up and down, and leave in the center. Leave the unit for 15 minutes to evaporate the fader spray before energizing.